Hi everyone, Oscar here with mathsandenglish.net. So today I'm going to be taking you through a quick lesson on how we multiply big numbers together. So we're going to hop over to the whiteboard now and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done.
So here we have the question, 362 times by 54. So what we're going to do as a first step, we're going to split up into smaller sums. So we're going to do a 300 from the 3. So if you move these two, this is just a 300 times by a 50. So we're moving the 4 and putting a 50. We're going to do a 300 times by that remaining 4. We're going to then do a 60, so again doing the same, removing the 2, times by a 50 again, and a 60 times by a 4. Then the final two we're going to have to do is that 2 times by the 50 again, and a 2 times by a 4. So now we split up into easier numbers to work with. Now we can work on these single multiplications, and if we add them up we'll get the right answer to this equation. So sum number 1 still looks quite hard to do, doesn't it? So the way we're going to do this is take the 5, we're going to take this 5 and multiply it by this 3. So it's just a simple 5 times 3, which you should know is 15. And then we're simply just going to add on these 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, they're going to be added on to the end. Next equation, we're going to do the same again, 300 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and then how many zeros we got left over? We got 2 this time, so add on 2 zeros. This time we've got a 5 and a 6, so 6 times 5 is 30. We've got 2 zeros, so add them on. This time we've got 60 times 4, so 6 times 4, what's that going to be? 24. And then how many zeros we got? 1 to add on, so 240. Then we've got the 2 left. 50 times 2, which is 100, and 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay, so now we have all the numbers we need to work out this equation. It's just about adding them all up now, and we'll have the answer. So first of all, we've got the 15,000, we've got a 1,200, we have a 3,000, we have a 240, we have a 100, and we have an 8. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We're going to start with the big ones and work our way down. So we will start here, 15,000 plus 1,200 is going to give us 16,200. Add on another 3,000, we're going to have 19,000 and still 200. Now we've got 240 to add on, we're going to have 19,440. Add on the 100, 19,540, and finally adding on an 8, we're going to have 19,548.
So there's the lesson. Hopefully you now know how to multiply together two big numbers and get the right outcome. So if this has helped you, we'd really appreciate it here if you could spread the word about our channel, and also take a look at our website if you are looking or interested in a tutor in any GCSE level or any A-level subject. So don't be afraid to get in contact, and I'll see you in the next video.